Okay guys, it's Reed here once again. Got another exciting product review today. We got the Grasshopper Blizzard from Dairy Queen. This is the Blizzard of the month, and you really can't see nothing. We'll look into it here a little bit, but there's what it looks like. Let's do a thumbnail right quick. Thumbnail. Let's get right to it, guys. From what I'm told, it's got whipped toppings, some kind of cocoa in it, graham crackers. So let's see what it's all about. Here's a better look at it. You can see a little bit of it. It's not as green as it looks on the display. It looks, you know, bright green. This is a very dull green look. So let's see what it tastes like, see what it's all about. Grasshopper Blizzard. It's got chocolate chunks in it. Mints, it's got mints in it. You can definitely taste those mints. There's a look at it again. It's got the whipped topping, and it's very good actually. Brain freeze. Woo! Man. That cocoa and those mints with the graham cracker together, I got a good brain freeze on that one. Wow. But I recovered. I made it through it. You can taste it, people. Nice minty flavor. That minty flavor really is awesome. Mixed with that whipped toppings, with the whipped topping, it really does help. It gives it a nice flavor. You can taste the graham cracker crust. You know, this is a very good Blizzard, I must admit. I am pleasantly surprised with this. It really is very good, very unique. It's another winner from Dairy Queen, people. Look at that. Look at that. How do you beat that? Look at that. You can't beat it. It's great. There's no doubt about it, people. Totally has exceeded my expectations. Grasshopper Blizzard from Dairy Queen gets a perfect score. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5, and I didn't expect nothing from it. I didn't think it would be worth anything, really. I thought it might be a okay Blizzard. It's going to be average. It's going to be okay. But it's great. It's great. It's not as thick as it should be, though. That's kind of weird. This is kind of it's very runny. It's not thick like a Blizzard should be. It's kind of odd. But it's got a great flavor. So that's going to be the official review of the Grasshopper Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It gets a 5 out of 5. Great taste. You're sure to love it. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you tomorrow with another exciting product review.